Many people aspire to become wealthy, but not everyone knows how to get there. In this video, I will explore the concept of beliefs and behaviors for building wealth, which are the essential ingredients for creating and maintaining a wealthy lifestyle. I will explain 5 of the beliefs and behaviors, how they influence our financial decisions, and why they are important for reaching our financial goals. What are beliefs and behaviors for building wealth, and why are they important? Beliefs and behaviors for building wealth are the mental and practical aspects of achieving financial success and abundance. This means that you need to have both a positive and growth-oriented mindset about money, as well as effective habits and strategies to manage and grow your money. Your beliefs and behaviors can either help you or hinder you in your journey to financial freedom. If you have positive and empowering beliefs and behaviors, you will be more likely to attract and create wealth. Let's take a look at them. 1. Positive and growth-oriented mindset about money. Mindset is the combination of your thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and attitudes about money, which influences your financial choices and goals. Having a positive mindset means being confident, optimistic, and motivated to achieve financial success. To develop a positive and growth-oriented mindset about money, you need to 1. Challenge and replace any negative beliefs that you have about money with positive and empowering ones. For example, replace negative thoughts about money being evil, unworthy, or scarce with positive ones that view money as a helpful tool, a deserved reward, and an abundant resource. 2. Surrounding yourself with positive and successful people who have a healthy relationship with money. People who have a healthy relationship with money are those who use it wisely, save for their goals, and have a positive attitude towards it. You can enhance your financial situation and your relationship with money by adopting the habits, values, and mindset of your social circle. 3. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos, and attend seminars that teach you how to improve your mindset and your money skills. Learn from the experts and the mentors who have achieved what you want to achieve and who can guide you and motivate you along the way. 2. Clear and realistic goals for your finances. This means that you have a specific plan for what you want to achieve with your money, how much you need to save or invest, and when you want to reach your target. It also means that you set goals that are challenging but achievable based on your current situation and your potential. To set clear and realistic goals for your finances, you need to 1. Be specific and measurable about what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying that you want to be rich, say that you want to have a net worth of $1 million by the age of 40. Instead of saying that you want to save more, say that you want to save 20% of your income every month. 2. Be realistic and attainable about what you can achieve. For example, don't expect to become a millionaire overnight, or to save 50% of your income if you have a lot of expenses. Set goals that are challenging but achievable, based on your current situation and your potential. 3. Be time-bound and actionable about when and how you will achieve your goals. For example, instead of vague goals, set specific ones that include how you will achieve them, such as investing $500 monthly in a diversified portfolio to reach a net worth of $1 million by 40, or saving 20% of your income monthly by cutting expenses, increasing income, and automating savings. 3. Patient and persevering in pursuing your goals. This means that you are willing to wait for the results of your efforts and overcome any obstacles or challenges that may arise along the way. It means that you do not give up easily or get discouraged by temporary setbacks or failures. It also means that you are flexible and adaptable to changing circumstances and opportunities. To be patient and persevering in pursuing your goals, you need to 1. Understand that building wealth is a long-term process that requires consistent effort and discipline. To build wealth, you also need to control your spending, save and invest regularly, and avoid risks or distractions that may ruin your financial goals, such as get-rich-quick schemes or shortcuts. 2. Learn from your mistakes and failures and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. Instead of denying, avoiding, or regretting your mistakes and failures, you can embrace them, analyze them, and learn from them. You can also use them as motivation and inspiration to work harder, smarter, and better. 3. Celebrate your progress and achievements and reward yourself for your hard work and dedication. This means that you need to acknowledge and appreciate the results of your efforts and the steps you have taken towards your goals. Celebrating your progress and achievements can help you boost your self-confidence, motivation, and happiness. 4. Invest for the future today. This means you are using your money to buy assets that can generate income or appreciate in value over time, rather than spending it on things that lose value or have no lasting benefit. Investing for the future today can help you achieve your long-term financial goals, such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. To invest for the future today, you need to 1. Start investing as early as possible and as much as you can afford. Starting to invest early and investing more can help you benefit from compound interest, which is the interest on your interest that can significantly boost your wealth over time. 2. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, commodities, and real estate. Diversification can help you reduce your risk, increase your returns, and protect your portfolio from market fluctuations and uncertainties. 3. Learn about the best strategies and opportunities for investing, such as index funds and more. Educating yourself on the various investment options and choosing the ones that match your goals, risk tolerance, and preferences is essential, and you can do so by reading books, listening to podcasts, watching videos, or attending seminars. 5. Never stop improving your income, skills, and value by hustling. This means that you are always proactive and motivated in finding and creating opportunities to earn more money, learn new things, and provide more value to others. This also means that you do not settle for the status quo, but constantly challenge yourself to grow and improve your financial situation and your personal and professional development. To keep hustling and looking for ways to increase your income, you need to 1. Create multiple streams of income, such as side hustles, passive income, or online businesses. Having multiple sources of income that generate money for you can help you increase your cash flow, diversify your income, and achieve your financial goals faster. 2. Learn new skills such as digital marketing or graphic design. Learning new skills can help you enhance your resume, boost your career, and create new opportunities for yourself and others. 3. Add value to others, such as your customers, your clients, your employers, or your audience. Adding value to others can help you build trust, reputation, and influence, and generate more income and wealth. In conclusion, building wealth depends not only on your money, but also on your mindset and actions. So, you need to adopt the positive and growth-oriented beliefs and behaviors that can improve your financial well-being and create a prosperous and fulfilling life. Start applying these principles today and see the difference they can make in your financial journey. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about true wealth and how you are achieving it. I'll see you in the next video.